A very good morning, respected sir and ma'am. Welcome to my marvelous world of science. Myself Zaid Khan from Standard 9 from Dardaman Abdullah Mukadam English School, Kamle. The main theme of the science exhibition for the academic year 2021 to 2022 is technology and toys. My model is based on the subtopic environment and climate change. The title of my model is Flood Resistant House. Floods are among the most destructive and common natural hazards, causing extensive damage to the infrastructure, the economy, and devastation to human settlements. Floods are basically natural hydrological phenomena. We are aware with this fact that a Mahar city and its nearby areas had been severely affected by the flood which had occurred on 22nd of July 2021. This flood had not only affected the economy of a city but also destroyed the livelihoods of many people. In order to avoid any future contingents, I have come up with an idea of making a flood resistant house. Due to buoyancy force, material can float on water. With this principle, I have made this house. I have used plastic bottles to create buoyancy force. Under this house, we will tie these bottles with a rope or net, and we will make a platform which will have poles. Buoyant force is equal to weight of liquid displaced. 200 ml bottle is equal to 200 cubic centimeter. After applying this formula, each bottle of 200 ml can lift weight up to 0.2 kg. Now I will show the demonstration of my model. When the water will reach at the bottom, the house will get lifted due to buoyancy force and we will save the lives of the people. I hope you like the concept of my model. Thank you.